I'm not sure if everyone's getting the homework done or if y'all need any help, but this is a quick tutorial on how I did it. So I downloaded Dr. Keaton's electric bills from Blackboard. First thing we want to do is we want to select A1. We'll go to Insert up here and insert a pivot table. That's what we want to create. So we'll have all that selected, new workbook, and it should automatically select all your values. So we'll just hit OK. And we want to analyze the kilowatt hours per day. So we'll put that in our values, and we'll put months in our rows, and years will go into our columns. So now as you can see here, we have all the data pulled up, and he's asking us to analyze certain years for males and females. So since I'm a male, I want to select from 1983 all the way down to 1999. And if anyone knows how to select all this a lot quicker than this, feel free to let me know. Be real big time saver. All right, so we have all that selected. We'll hit OK. As you can see here, now we only have 1983 all the way to 1999. And the month that I was born is then on August, so it's column 8 or row 8. And we want to do a data analysis. So we'll go to data up here, data analysis over here, and we'll click on descriptive statistics. We'll just hit OK there. And it's asking us to select data or an input range. We're in rows. So we'll go over here and we'll just come back here, select the data from this month. Make sure you just select that. And then since over here we can see that on our first row we have a label, so we'll just go ahead and click label in our first column, and we want summary statistics clicked. So we'll just hit OK, and that should give us our mean, standard error, and all that. So up here you can just label descriptive, and you would just highlight all this here and copy it over to a Word document. So for the next thing that he wants is for us, we'll go back here, back to sheet 2. He wants us to create a pivot table. So we'll go to Insert, Recommended Charts, down to Box and Whiskers. But as you can see, it says that we're in a pivot table, so we can't create it. So to bypass this, we're going to select all the data on row for month 8. We'll copy that. And once we copy that, we can do a paste special. We'll just do values, and we could transpose it and click here to put them all in one column. As you can see, now we have August and we have the grand total down here. And to create our box plot, we'll just select all the intermittent values, which is what we're looking for. We'll go to all charts, box and whiskers. And now as you can see, we can select that and we'll have that there. And it's a little condensed up here, so we can double click on these values and maybe change the minimum to 40. We'll just hit OK. And as you can see here on this plus green sign over here, you could click that. You could add access titles and data labels and all that stuff. For the final thing is he wants us to create a frequency polygon. So we're also interested in these values here. So we're just going to copy those. And you could download this template on Blackboard, which is called Scott Density 2. And I already have that pre-downloaded here. And as you can see here, we have all these values, but we want to get rid of these. So we'll erase all of these. And once we get all these erased, we just want to copy those values over from the other file to here. Whoops. Looks like I went too far. It's going a little slow. So I deleted all those, and as you can see now, all this disappeared, and it's a complete blank template. So if I paste these, oops, I don't think I copied them. Copy them, go back over and paste. As you can see here, now we have this. It's a little condensed, so we'll make this value a little smaller. Maybe go to 30. Spreads that out a little more. And the only thing that we're really focused on is density, I believe. So we'll delete these other two graphs. Now you have that. You can add access titles and all that stuff. And just copy that over to a Word document and you should be good to go. If you have any questions or anything to add on to this, feel free to let me know, and I hope this helps. Thanks.